your ultimate kids learning destination. Hey there, little brainiacs. Welcome to KOOL Creative Mingle.
Nursery creative activities refer to a range of stimulating and imaginative tasks designed to engage young children in playful learning experiences. These activities are aimed at fostering creativity, fine motor skills, cognitive development, and social interaction in preschool-aged children. Painting, drawing, collage making, clay modeling, and crafting with various materials like paper, fabric, beads, etc. Sensory play activities involving exploration through touch, smell, taste, sight, and sound such as sand play, water play, Play-Doh, and sensory bins. Singing songs, playing musical instruments, dancing, and rhythmic movement activities to enhance coordination and self-expression. Pretend play scenarios using costumes, props, and role-playing activities to encourage imagination and social skills development. Reading and telling stories, creating story props, and using puppets to act out narratives, fostering language development and creativity. Outdoor activities like gardening, nature walks, observing wildlife, and collecting natural materials for art projects, promoting an appreciation for the environment and curiosity about the natural world. Simple science experiments, building with blocks or construction toys, and exploring basic mathematical concepts through games and puzzles, encouraging critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Simple cooking or baking activities where children can measure ingredients, mix, and decorate, fostering independence, following directions, and introducing basic culinary skills. Nursery creative activities play a crucial role in the holistic development of young children. Through engaging in arts and crafts, music and movement, storytelling, and various other hands-on experiences, children not only express their creativity but also enhance their cognitive, social, and emotional skills. These activities foster imagination, promote fine and gross motor skills, encourage social interaction and collaboration, and instill a love for learning. Moreover, nursery creative activities provide children with opportunities to explore their interests, build confidence, and develop a sense of accomplishment. Overall, incorporating creative activities into nursery settings enriches children's early years and lays a strong foundation for their lifelong learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.